Are you ready to supercharge your career and unlock a world of opportunities? Over 806,000 people have already taken the first step with this highly sought-after Python and automation Google certificate. The demand for cloud computing and automation skills is skyrocketing, and this certificate is your ticket to a high-growth career. Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can master Python and automation for free with the Google certificate. This program is your chance to gain professional-level skills designed by Google experts, and it won't cost you a dime to start learning. This is where IT automation and Python become essential skills. This professional certificate is designed to take your foundational IT knowledge and add the crucial ability to program with Python, automate system administration tasks, and manage cloud infrastructure. This course is your gateway to a rewarding career, equipping you with the skills that open doors to roles like DevOps engineer, site reliability engineer, and cloud administrator. The demand for these skills is massive, which means a significant increase in your career opportunities and earning potential. What makes this certificate so valuable? First, it's designed to prepare you for in-demand jobs like IT support specialist, systems administrator, and site reliability engineer. You'll learn how to program with Python, even with no prior coding experience. This program is a comprehensive series of courses, taking you from a beginner with no coding experience to an expert in automation. You'll dive deep into Python programming. You'll learn the fundamentals of Python, the most in-demand programming language for automation, operating system interaction. You'll master how to use Python to manage files and processes on your computer, version control with Git and GitHub. Learn how to track changes in your code and collaborate with others, a critical skill for any developer. Configuration management and the cloud. You will learn to apply automation at scale, managing fleets of machines both on-premise and in the cloud. Troubleshooting and debugging. Develop the critical problem-solving skills needed to identify and resolve complex IT issues. You will apply these skills in hands-on projects, giving you practical, real-world experience that employers are looking for. Upon completion, you'll earn a professional certificate that's recognized and respected by top employers, including Google itself. This credential signals to the world that you have a solid, job-ready skill set. Now for the best part, the free option. This course offers free enrollment, allowing you to access all learning materials. You can audit all the lectures, readings, and projects at no cost. While the learning is free, obtaining the official certificate, which is a great asset for your resume, may require payment or financial aid. If you're ready to supercharge your cloud computing skills and start a career in IT automation, we've provided a link to the courses in our description. Click on the link today to enroll for free and begin your journey. Visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com, where you'll find a wide selection of online courses on cloud computing and other topics, as well as free articles, video guides, career resources, and more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. We wish you the best of luck on your professional development journey.